Oh, hi guys. This is Marshall's Studios Forever here. Marshall's Studios Forever is taping you from a live audience, and today I'm here with my industrial Panasonic JetFlow upright vacuum cleaner. Was made in 1988, or it could be 1990 or a 1991's model. I bought this vacuum at the OK Family Thrift Store for $16. And for first of all, I bought this vacuum brand new, and it looks brand new to me. And for first of all, there were kind of dust on the platform right there, but I did wipe it up. And I did clean it up with alcohol, and it kills all the germs. And for first of all, instead of me talking, I wanted to run this in the video for you guys, okay? Well, everybody, I'm going to turn on the switch. 3, 2, 1, action. Well, it's not so bad at all. And anyway, I wanted to make sure you guys, you click thumbs up, hit subscribe, click down below what you like to see, and let me know if you want me to do another vacuum cleaner video for you guys. I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you in another video today, okay? Bye.